Like I was saying, Boulder, Colorado is beautiful. I'm so stoked to be here, up in the mountains. God's creation is so amazing. Just a few days ago, I was living on a super hot, humid, tropical island. Now I'm so many feet above the sea level. What's up, everybody? Wow, just pulled over on the side of the road with my friend Rod, and back here, I believe these two tall ridges are called the Flat Irons. And what we got back here?
Long's Peak is the tall one over here.
Long's Peak, tall one out there, and it's just so amazing. Such a beautiful view out here. Colorado's a beautiful, beautiful place to be. From Nicaragua to Costa Rica, from a little remote island, little corn island, from Nicaragua to Costa Rica, all the way back to the United States of America. And what better time to be in Colorado right now? What more amazing experience in life it is just to start listening to your inner space, listening to your heart, and taking action, and just making sure that you're walking with faith, because no matter what, as long as you keep moving forward, things are going to come through for yourself. So this whole journey has not been all peaches and cream. I was nervous before leaving, but I didn't allow that nervousness, I didn't allow that fear to hold me back. And now I get to just be in total amazement in God's creation out here. Never been out here before. Getting my first taste of Colorado. Live your dreams, follow your heart. Everybody out there, have a wonderful day. Don't let fear run your life. Allow happiness and joy to flood your life. Adios, amigos. We're out on the mountain range, you know. So amazing out here. We got North Boulder. We got the town right there. About to go pick up some vegetarian food in the Jeep. Everything's good. I mean, Colorado is an amazing place to be. I'm super impressed. I'm just blown away, absorbing everything.